Sanibona bafethu uVanele. So namhlanje ngizokhulumani na ngizokhuluma ama-rumors surrounding uLebona Siyema, ngizokhuluma ama-rumors surrounding ama-players abadlali be-Orlando Pirates. Yabo. So ngizoqala nje ngale rumor le. Ngizoqala nje ngale rumor le bafethu and ngizolandela ngerumor yamahopa mase ngicina ngerumor yabani, ngerumor yaRelebohile Mofokeng. So ngizoqala nje ngale bafethu. Kuthiwa ke kuneclub edlala ku-MLS, le club le bafethu siyayazi ngoba kunomdlalo wala eSouth Africa okubonga okuhle Hlongwane odlala khona. Remember ke le club le before seke yaba linked vele with ubani, with uRelebohile Mofokeng. So ngizokhuluma ngoLebona Siyema. Kuthiwa there are rumors. Kuthiwa lama rumors lawa kunomdlali Orlando Pirates ofunwa eMinnesota. Yabo iMinnesota kuthiwa iyamfuna impela lo mdlali lo. But ke engizokusho bafethu, these rumors are not true. These rumors are not true and mele siyeke as ama-fans ukuthi sithathe noma yini sizame ukuthi siyenze lento le ibe iqiniso. Reason why ngisho lokho na siyibone lezi zinto lezi zenzeka each and every season. Yabo each and every season lapho khona Orlando Pirates eseyaqala khona ukuthi izame ukuchallenge for i-league. Kuhlale kube kuzoba nezitori kanje bokunake mekuzoba uJanuary. Njalo mekuzoba uJanuary hlezi kuzoba khona abadlali beOrlando Pirates abafundwa amathima amakhulu. Yabo last season nje sibonile bafethu isaga yabani yalomjida lo uSalengi with Al Ahly. We saw a big scandal yabo oSalengi kuba khona ama drama ahlukahlukene. Yabo mase kuthi ngaleya season leya sasibona Oloji. You see they are targeting big players. These scandals are targeting big players and leyo nto leyo idala abadlali bafune ukuba against the team, bafune ukuba against the management because they see ukuthi hayibo ama-club kanje, ama-club amakhulu afuna mina. Why mina ngisayela eSouth Africa? Akekho umdlalo ongafuni ukuya phesheya, akekho umdlalo ongafuni ukuyodlala overseas. Yabo. So as a player mubona ama-rumors kanje leyo nto ngempela uyayiquestiona as a player ubone ukuthi hayi ngeke. Yabo la kumele ngempela ngiyokhuluma ne-agent kuhlalwe phansi ku-draft kwabusha i-contract sibone ukuthi kahle kahle sesiyaphi. Izinto kanje bafethu angimele siyithathe serious. Yabo mase ngiza kweyamahopa nayo neko yamahopa bafethu ngizokuthiwa umahopa angazi ngempela kuvele kwalandelana nje. Yabo einsukwini ezintathu kuqale nje ngayo le yaMofokeng. Yabo waqala ngeyaMofokeng kwase kuze yamahopa bese kuze le yalomjida lo Lebona Siyema. Ngithe nje awuthi ngiye ngishaya ivideo khona ngizoyi-addressa lento because baningi abantu abaleke kube ngibuza. Yabo eyamahopa I wouldn't say yamanga and I wouldn't say iqiniso. Yabo because if you remember i-contract yamahopa ngosikhathi renew i-contract yakhe with the Orlando Pirates, he renewed his contract with the Orlando Pirates. Kune clause eyayisho lapho kwi-contract yakhe ukuthi if there is a team that is coming from Europe kumele umahopa ayijoine leyo club leyo because kwi-clause yakhe kuyashiwo vele. Yabo kune team ezoqhamuka e-Europe mekufika noma yiphi nje team mimfuna umahopa uzoyijoina. Yabo angimele akhuluma into eziningi. There is a clause vele kwi-contract yakhe. Yabo i-agent yakhe yamdiscussela leyo clause leyo. Yabo so angifuni ukuyidispute kakhulu lezo indaba lezo but I don't think ziyiqiniso. Ngizokuthiwa leyo club leyo idlala kwi-championship yale England ibizwa ngeBristol City. Yabo so I don't want to entertain lezo indaba kakhulu because obvious bafethu. Yabo umahopa lo I don't think umahopa uzovuma ukuthi ahambe aye phesheya. But ke mekwi clause anything can happen. But all I'm saying, stop entertaining these news. Yabo as a player uzothini mubona indaba kanje. Yabo uzoba intrigued. You would want to entertain these news because it's a European club. Yabo it's a team that is playing overseas. You want the dollars, you want the pounds, you want the euros in your bank account. Yabo uyafuna nawo ukudla cheese. So bafethu asikame uku-entertain kakhulu indaba lezi si-spread kakhulu misinformation. Kwezinye ke zeindaba zesithathu zaMofokeng. Yabona ke lezi ke ziyiqiniso ke cause uRulani uyena usho nje live. Yabo uyena nje uRulani ade i-press conference leya washo ukuthi uRulani wena ngokwakhe uyamfuna impela uMofokeng ayodlala kwi-MC Alger. Remember kuRulani ucoach we-MC Alger iclub edlala le eAlgeria bafethu. So ngizokuthiwa uMofokeng uyirejectile i-offer eyakhona le eAlgeria ayodlala under uRulani Mkwena. uRulani Mkwena is a very very big admirer of the young boy okuRelebohile Mofokeng. So for me kule indaba lezi ngizothini, I don't think le indaba lezi kumele si entertain that much, but ke there are many people saying uMofokeng why engafuni ukuya laphana. Maybe he can grow under uRolani Mokoena. Maybe uRolani Mokoena uzomfundisa a thing or two regarding ibhola. Yabo siyamazi ukuthi uMofokeng ukhule kakhulu under uJose. Maybe futhi mayasadlale under uRolani Mokoena angafunda a thing or two regarding his game plan, regarding indlela adlala ngakhona umjida. But ke remember uMofokeng yena as a player, yabo he is destined to go to a Europe. Yena ngokwakhe ubelieve ukuthi ioffer engangcono for yena ukuthi ayodlala le Europe. Yabo so you cannot stop a player like that, yabo, for achieving his dream ukuthi ayodlala le. So there are many people are trying to blame Orlando Pirates. Like Orlando Pirates iyamblock umjito ukuthi amove ele abroad. Yabo I don't think leyo nto lo iqiniso kakhulu, because ayikho i-team eblock ama players la. Yabo because mekuzoqhubeka nalo narrative kubuye le narrative le lama players lawa sasana kuyishiya Orlando Pirates. Yabo kuthi Orlando Pirates iyaqhubeka iyablock ama players. There is no team that is blocking the players. Orlando Pirates is not blocking the players pathways. The players are playing for Orlando Pirates because bayathanda ukudlalela Orlando Pirates. Yabo banama contracts abawasayinile, and kulowo ma contracts masephelile kumele umdlali ayihambele yena. Yabo so akekho umdlali ayikho iclub evimbe umdlali. Mina ilo engakusho. So let's stop this narrative yokuthi abadlali njalo Orlando Pirates masihleli kahle lapha esicongweni sekuzophuma la narrative uke lawo ukuthi Orlando Pirates abadlali bayo ba linked with other clubs adlala le Europe. So Orlando Pirates yabona manje isizoxabana nabadlali babo ngesababona manje beqala ama games because sebexabane no coach, sebexabane ne management, izinto ezenzakalayo lezi. So asiyekeni lento as ama fans of Orlando Pirates, thina asithathe esikuzwa kweOrlando Pirates, because most of the times iyona ehle izoshanga amabhomu, iyona ehle izosurprise ngezinto eziningi. Yabo so asithathe kakhulu oqhamuka khona. Mungakamboni uvane ezosho ukuthi iqiniso ungakuthathi serious. Yilo wengakusho mina. Mungakamboni uVane Sports eza kuwena ezosho ukuthi hayibo lento iqiniso ngempela, ungayithathi serious, akusilo nje iqiniso lelo. Yabona nje ngivele ngeza nginina ngazontshela bafethu ukuthi akusilona nje iqiniso, ngifuna nje yabo nikwazi from now on ningasangibuza ke regarding indaba lo mfana lo ulibona isiyema wethu bani uMagopa same as Mofokeng. Abajida nje okwamanje kumele bathi ukuhlala kancane kwibhakaniya, sineleague kumele siyiwine bafethu. Ama games alandelayo Orlando Pirates ngiwabonile bafethu, game esilandela ngayo solandela isikhukhune. Another game kuzoba igame yani, kuzoba igame yamaZulu if I'm not mistaken ngomhla 3 izobudlala eMos Mabhida, base ukuthi kube igame yani, kube igame yeKaizer Chiefs Soweto Derby. I don't know, I think iyona Soweto Derby ezolandela after amaZulu, but ke maybe sobheka kwicalendar mhlambe in between those games kuzobe kukhona igame yani yeNedbank, but ke anything can happen bafethu. Izona ke indaba lezi ade ngize nazo namhlanje. Musani ukhambe nithatha lento ixabanisa abadlali nemanagement. Yekeni lento. Ngiyanicela nje ngomoya wenkosi, ngiyanicela uvane lo